Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I was able to stone and also pearl my gele. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. So I have my glue gum, my pearls and my beads, and I also have my stones that I'm going to use. So guys, after removing your stone from the leather, all you have to do next is to make sure that you place the stones on your gele. So right now I have 4 layers of gele, but I'll be using just 2 layers of I'll be stoning 2 layers of my gele only, because I want 2 layers to be at the base while the stone part will be on top. I don't know if you guys can really understand, but okay, for imagine an infinity gele right now, the round gele, you want to make sure that the pleats on top your head has no stones, while the ones that are going to stand will have stones. That's just what I want to do today, and it's actually the beauty of the gele. It comes out really beautiful and nice. And also, you really do not want to overstone or over pearl your gele, because somehow it's going to look unattractive, and it's just going to look unattractive and overwhelming, kind of. It's going to look overwhelming in the eyes. So you don't want to overbead or overstone your gele or pearl it too much. So I'm moving towards the center of my gele right now. For the first stoning I did, some stones were still remaining, so I'm just going to place it at the middle of the gele and also place my iron on it. When you have to make sure that you use a hot iron on this, because if you don't, the the stones are still going to be on the leather. So you need to have something that is very hot, so that the stones lie on the gele instead of still remaining attached on the leather. Okay guys, so these are my pearls. These are the pearls I'm going to be using today. I'm using sea green, gold and red. I'm using sea green because I want the gele to come out nice. I want it to come out really beautiful, so that's why I'm adding sea green to it. So I'm just going to be placing the pearls while I also gum it, the way you can see me do in this video. I actually started replacing my gum and then putting the pearls on top, but the gum was really hot, so it was I couldn't just do it. So the next step, our advice when you want to do this, what you have to do is to make sure that you place your pearls first. Just place them in the positions you want them to be, then you can start attaching your gum. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to place my pearls where I want them to be. I'm just going to scatter them all over. Then after that, I'll start attaching my gum to it. I am also going to be attaching my pearls on the middle of the gele where I had the scanty stones. I'm going to be attaching my pearls there so that everything does not look scanty. So I'm just going to be putting every pearl I have there. I'm going to make sure that it's nicely done. You also have to make sure when you're doing it that you don't join everything together. You just have to give some little space so that everything comes out very beautiful. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So guys, because your glue gum is very hot, it's going to give you a very rough look because it's very hot. But I assure you that once you're done with your gele and everything is cold, it's not going to look as rough as this. It's going to be neat, because you have to also make sure that you remove every gum that is lying on top of your gele. So I'm going to be doing the same thing I did with the beginning of my gele. I'll place my stones on the gele and also remove it. Just like this, I'm going to remove it and also place my iron on the stones so that everything so that the stones do not still remain on the leather. And I'm also going to be attaching my pearls same way I did with the beginning of my gele. You just have to make sure that you scatter everything all over so that it doesn't jam pack in one particular place. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. This is the end of my gele. All you have to do is to make sure that you do not go towards the end, which is the edge of your gele. At this point right now, I'm going to stop here. I'm not going to take my pearls towards the end, which is the edges of my gele. I'm not going to take it towards the edges of my gele. I'm just going to stop at a particular point so that when you're tying your gele, you can be able to hold it properly. I love you guys so much. If this tutorial was helpful, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. See you all. Bye bye.